Hello guys, good day. So today we are going to see a basic introduction of Power BI and why we want to choose Power BI and why it is in more demand and what is Power BI actually. So guys, Power BI is a data visualization tool and it was developed by Microsoft and officially launched on 2015. This Power BI, it will allows you to connect your data to create a stunning visualizations and dashboards. I can say Power BI is a great tool that has been developed to help organization to make a better data driven and the sessions to gain a comparative edge of today's economy. So guys, I can say we how this Power BI will work, right? So if you see on my screen, the main three platforms we are having in Power BI, those we will call it as Power BI Desktop, second one is Power BI Cloud Service, and third one is Power BI Mobile. These three are playing a key role when you are going to work with Power BI. So if you see on my screen this PPT, if you see introduction Power BI, so we have parts of Power BI as three. So we have a three components, main components. The first one is Power BI Desktop, and second one is Power BI Service, and third one is Power BI Mobile. So guys, what is Power BI Desktop? So when you are going to install your Power BI application into your local system, that we will call it as Power BI Desktop. And the second one, Power BI Service. Once you've done your dashboards or visualizations, your visuals, everything is ready in your local system, you need to place into cloud. So that is nothing but Power BI Service, or we can call it as Power BI Cloud Service. Once your reports are done in your local mission, then you need to publish those reports into cloud to see the end user stakeholders. So we have option called publish option in Power BI desktop. So once your reports are ready, then you need to click on publish option. Then you have a different type of workspaces in cloud. So where you want to place it, you need to publish into cloud and you can access it anywhere, anytime with the internet. And third one is Power BI mobile. It will support for iOS and Android. So you it will support, and once you published your report into cloud service, you just download the mobile application, Power BI mobile application, and you can log in with your organizational account or school account. Then only you can access your reports. So guys, the best part is in Power BI, we can connect a wide range of data sources like Excel, CSV, SQL, text. So like that. And when coming to cloud-based services like Salesforce and Google Analytics, among many other, we can connect a multiple wide range of data connectors, data sources. And we have an option called Power Query Editor. So earlier we have a dependency in ETL tools, and now Power BI we have a by default the feature called Power Query Editor, and it behaves like a ETL tool. Then we can do a lot of transformations by default in Power BI desktop. So guys, you can ask me one question like how it will be help to organization. Guys, it will connect a wide range of data connectors. This will allow business to access and analyze the data from different departments and systems, giving more picture about their operations. And Power BI allows a business to create interactive charts and maps and other visuals as well. And that helps to understand the data. And this can share into service within the organization. They can approach, they can communicate very easily as I told you. So if you're updating any data in your data source, if you want to get it in Power BI service, we have an option called schedule refresh. If you want to update your report daily basis, if you want to update your report weekly basis, it's up to you. It depends on license. And when coming to license part, we have a different type of licenses. We can call it as Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, Premium per capacity. We have a different type of licenses, and depends on that your schedule refresh will be there. For example, if you're going with the basic licenses, in a day 8 times for each report you can do schedule refresh 8 times per day for each report. Then we have a higher licenses, for that you can do schedule refresh 48 times for each report in a day. It depends on our licenses. The best part guys, so I can say In Power BI, we are going to play with the data with the drag and drop features. So whatever the columns we are having, so we just need to drag and drop to our report. So that's what the best part. And it will support a lot of data connectors, guys. You can even connect the web also to perform your operations. And if you see my screen, the Power BI will look like this. And if you see how you need to identify the Power BI desktop, what you installed in your system, that we will call it as a Power BI desktop. So once your report is done, if you see the publish option, you can publish your report into cloud. So with your school account or organizational account, it will not support your local email IDs. And once you published, who are all having access to their Power BI service account, they can access their reports. And as I discussed, guys, we have Power Query Editor option. If you want to open that, click on Transform Data and just click on Transform Data. It will take you to one more window that we will call it as Power Query Editor. If you see, I have two windows now. One is sales report, which is nothing but my Power BI desktop, and one more window open. This is my Power Query Editor, and I can do a lot of transformations here. And if you see this query span, so here it will show you the tables, queries, what you have and everything it will show you in query span. And you see this is home ribbon. So again, you will get a lot of options here. And what you are selecting, what data you are having, that you will see here. Okay, so the main part here, the applied steps. Are you able to see the applied steps? So guys, whatever the changes you are going to do in your this central pane, so that will save in applied. So for example, hike, I'm just editing it. I'm just giving percentage and I'm hitting enter. Able to see one more step added, that is renamed the column, because I renamed the column name hike percent. For example, I'm just deleting the column. I just clicked on delete. So remove the column. One more step is added here, that is remove column. So currently my column got deleted. If you want to take it back again, you just click on this cancel symbol, your column will come back. And you don't want this percentage also, you just remove this step. So guys, this is very, very helpful. This applied steps I can say. So you can play very friendly. So guys, if you see, we have one advanced editor option. This will work with the M language, which created by Power BI. So whatever the steps you are performing on your tables, everything will stay store in applied steps. The same code will be generated in advanced editor. So once your things are done, so we have a lot of options here, very, very friendly options that we can play very nicely. If you don't have a sequence number, serial number, you can create. If you don't want this column, you can delete. If you want to add any column, you can add. So like that, we have a multiple options. Once your transformations done, so if your data is good now, so you just click on close and apply. So it will come to again Power BI desktop. So guys, if you see currently I am having some visuals on my screen. If you want to take it that, so you just need to select that Control C, Control V in a general manner how we are doing. Your one more visual copied. So guys, the best part here, if you have a visual, the same visual you copied again. For example, this is my pie chart. I copied the same pie chart. For this pie chart, I am just doing some cosmetic things with the help of format option. So guys, each visual having a different properties and different type of format options. Currently, I'm just doing a simple thing. I'm increasing my title size, title font as 20. Earlier it was in 14. Now I increased to 20. And I'm just changing the color to title as like this. Now, I want the same changes for this visual also. Again, you no need to come to format option. You no need to do any manual effort. So the same cosmetic things, if you want for this same chat, you just select this chat. We have an option called format painter and you just select to the visual. So whatever the transformations you have done first visual, it will apply to second one as well. So like this, we have a different type of feature. As I told you, you just need to drag and drop. For example, I'm just removing this and pie chart is having this properties like legend, values and details. I have some population data. I'm just dragging and dropping. So it is creating by own. Able to see this. So I'm not doing anything. So Power BI only will divide and it will show you. And you can adjust their height, width, how you want to set the position. Everything will be friendly and will be available in format option. As I told, so guys, we have some standard visuals in Power BI, and if you want, you can download from the market as well. Get more visuals. Okay. So guys, as I told you, this Power BI is very friendly. Why it is in more demand? The license cost is very simple and it is plug and play. Means you just need to drag and drop. And you can do ETL operations with the help of Power Query Editor. Okay. And we have a multiple around 170 plus data connectors we are having, and you can connect without any restriction. So guys, as I told you, so we have one more cool feature that we will call it as a Q&A feature. So what Q&A feature will do, I'll show you. So I'm just selecting, I have one visual called Q&A. So this I'm just selecting. So it is showing you preparing Q&A. Okay. So currently my requirement is I just want to see the total population state-wise. The total population state-wise. So you no need to do write any, you no need to write any coding here. I'm just coming to this box and I'm just writing what is the total population by state. So if I'm asking some question to Power BI, so it will show you as a visual. See, currently I have not done anything. I just written some question in Q&A. So it is showing the graphs as an answer. If you are liking these graphs, you just click on standard visual. So the Q&A option will be disabled and you can use this visual now anywhere. And if you want to modify, see, currently I have not done anything. I just given question and it was taken the clustered bar chart by default by Power BI engine. So I'm just selecting Q&A now. So by state I don't want, and I want to see what is the total population. I'm just writing what is the total population and I'm hitting enter. I'm just making as a standard visual. Able to see now it taken card. Earlier third visual clustered bar chart, now it changed to card. So Power BI engine itself, it will understand what visual they need to take. So this is one of the coolest feature I can say. And we have option called quick insight also. So guys, this Power BI will really helps us to understand and to play the business strategies. It's downloading also very simple. So we just need to open your browser and just type Power BI in your general term, Power BI desktop download. So you just click on the first link. So it will take you to Microsoft site and just click on download and it will ask you Power BI desktop setup.ext 32-bit or 62-bit. So it's up to you and click on download and it will store in your downloads folder. Then until finish button, you just need to click OK. So downloading is very simple and installation also simple. Once it is installed, you can see in your search bar Power BI desktop. Able to see this Power BI desktop app. So as I told you, we have a main three components. Those are Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile. If you want to open Power BI Service, you need to type app.powerbi.com. I guess this video will be helpful. Thank you so much.